What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds.
Well, today is supposed to be 50 degrees in this great land called the state of Michigan. So I'm going to take the opportunity to cook some pizza in the UMax outdoor wood burning pizza oven. I already made the pizza up. I just got to bring it out here and put it in there. Now, for this time, I'm just going to do it on a pan. I need to get reacquainted with this pizza oven. I mean, you can ruin a great pizza in a heartbeat by burning the hell out of it. So I'm not gonna take that chance because this pizza looks great. This pizza is about 11 inches in diameter. Pepperoni. It's got some mozzarella, of course. Some great pizza sauce. And it's got some shaker cheese on it. So I'm waiting for this thing to settle down. The fire's a little hot right now. And once that happens, I'm gonna put it in there. We'll watch the magic happen. Yeah, that fire is a little too violent right now, but it sure does feel good. So this isn't really the situation I was hoping for, but it's better than freezing. So I'm gonna get this pizza in here now. I think it's mellowed out enough. I'm gonna close the dampener, the vent, whatever you want to call it. Got one up on top. I got about halfway closed. A little bit of ash on the pizza stone. Yeah, on the pan. Don't worry, I'll be using the peel only here shortly. And now she cooks. Oh, she's cooking. I can smell it. So, I have a friend in Washington. He gave me this Detroit Lions spatula with the bottle opener. Pretty cool, but I haven't watched the NFL for about 3 years. I used to be a big time fan, but when they start goofing around and being stupid, I stopped watching. But the pizza peel that comes with this oven is kind of too big to turn any pizza around. So I use this. Now by looking at the crust, I gotta pull this out because she done try it. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's good. Not bad. I think it's time for a little Faygo pop. We got the Arctic Sun. I don't know why their logo is different on this bottle, but I have no clue. Good. Now this pizza is good, but it's got all the great flavors you ever would want, and it's much better than any frozen pizza. This video is more about the pizza oven, not so much the pizza. It's about using that oven, getting that target temperature, what fuels to use when using it, and how to make a great pizza. Probably eat this whole thing.